Hi, my name is Ali, and today I'm going to show you how to set up Microsoft Outlook 2010 with our email accounts. So as you can see, I've already got Microsoft Outlook open. Let's go ahead and make it full screen. You're going to go ahead and go to the File menu here, and then click Add Account. If you're starting up Outlook for the first time, it's going to give you the New Account wizard. Don't worry about it, just click Next a couple times and it'll get you to this same window, Add New Account. Now you're going to go ahead and click Manually Configure Server Settings or Additional Server Types. Don't put anything in these boxes, it's just going to ignore them. So select that and click Next. You're going to select Internet Email and hit Next. And now here's the boxes that you're going to put things in. Your name is what shows up on emails that other people receive from you. So make sure that you plan it accordingly. We're just going to put my name, Ali. And then the email address is obviously whatever email address you're setting up. Let's put ali@example.com. Now, for your account type, you can choose between POP3 or IMAP. It's a matter of personal preference. I like IMAP myself, but here's a quick rundown of the differences. POP3 will actually download the email from the server onto your computer, which makes it good for archiving, but it typically doesn't leave it on the server, leaving it unavailable if you have another device, say a phone or another computer, your work computer as opposed to your home computer and so on, that also needs that email. IMAP, on the other hand, doesn't download the email at all. It just grabs a list of the emails from the server and downloads them as you need them. It syncs up with more than one computer or device, making it good if you, say, access your email both at home and at work, or both at work and on your phone or something like that. IMAP will also sync up all of your folders, including your sent folder, your drafts folder, your trash, any custom folders you make, whereas POP will only grab your inbox. So again, it's a matter of personal preference. But let's move on to the next bit. Your incoming mail server. This is going to be mail.your domain name, in this case example.com. The outgoing server is the exact same thing, mail.example.com. Now your username is going to be your email address, no more and no less, ali@example.com. And the password is whatever the password is for the email address. Now, you're not quite done yet. There's a couple other things you have to set up. Go ahead and click More Settings. And then go to Outgoing Server. Now you're going to check this box that says My Outgoing Server requires authentication, and go ahead and leave it at Use same settings as my incoming mail server. What this basically means is that when it tries to send email, it'll log into the server using this email address and password. Next, you're going to go to Advanced, and we're going to enable SSL. Now this part is optional, but if you do want to use SSL, which encrypts or secures the connection between you and our servers, and instead of None, you're going to select SSL. Now you'll notice it changed the number for the incoming server, but not for the outgoing. You actually do need to change that. So for outgoing server, change it from 25 to 465. Then you're going to go ahead and click OK, and then Next. It should automatically test it, and if you set it up right, it'll be successful. So go ahead and click Close, and then Finish. And there you are. It's all set up and you should be able to send and receive emails. If you have any trouble from here, feel free to call our support line. They're open 24/7 to answer your questions. Have a great day.